You see that up there? That's a purse hanging on the door. But we're here on an adventure. An adventure of cleaning because of collecting yarn. So let's go take a look and see what we got. It comes out. It goes around. Finished items. Bags. And bags. And yarn everywhere. Bags. Well, we're on a mission. And we are going to go through this mess and clean it up because I'm tired of this mess. It gives an example of the yarn I have collected because it was on sale, because of the influences that I got saying, yeah, I can do that. Yeah, I can do that. And not having enough time in the day to create the things I would love to do because I have a full-time job where I work third shift at night. Here, I have finished keychains. I have finished bears. I have finished hats, finished purses. My specialty is actually sewing. But crochet you can take anywhere. So, you want to follow me on this adventure? Let's get to cleaning up. I'm tired of looking at this mess. So, let's go. These two boxes right here are empty. They are big and deep enough to put blanket yarn into. This was the batting, the 20-pound bag of batting that I bought during the Christmas sale for half price. And here's all the things I've made since, I think, the beginning of 2022. All of these are influences from YouTube and from TikTok and Instagram. I posted a video of the things that I have made. You might want to check that one out. So, let's go start with blanket yarn that's going to come in here, and we will move on.